Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. A car travels a distance of 120 km in 2 hours. How much distance will the car travel in 25 minutes? And these are the options. So first of all, we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So using unitary method, we can find out that 2 hours will be equal to 2 multiplied by 60 minutes, which is equal to 120 minutes. Now this we know. Now it is given in the question that in this 2 hour, or you can say 120 minutes or 2 hour, in this time a car travels distance which is given as 120 km. Hence again, by using unitary method, we can find out that in 1 minute the car will travel how much distance. So the car travels distance which is equal to 120 km divided by 120, which is equal to 1 km. Now we have to find that in 25 minutes how much distance the car will travel. So in 25 minutes car travels distance which is equal to 25 multiplied by 1 kilometer, which is equal to 25 kilometer. So 25 kilometer is the answer, which is option A. Hence we can say that the answer is option A.